Are you thinking about deleting your Instagram account but not sure how to do it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Instagram account. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then navigate to Settings and Privacy by clicking on the three-line menu which is at the top right. Now go to Account Center. As the next step, scroll down to Account Settings and tap on Personal Details. Now tap and go to the Account Ownership and Control section and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the account you want to permanently remove from Instagram. Choose Delete Account and tap on the Continue button in order to see the final step. Instagram is going to ask you why you delete your account. Choose an option and continue. Enter your password for this account for the last time. The last step is the Confirm Permanent Account Deletion section. Here, you'll see the date when your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. Tap the Delete Account button to confirm and finalize the process. And that's it! Your Instagram account is now scheduled for deletion and will be permanently removed on the specified date. You might wonder why so many confirmations are required to delete an account. This process ensures that the decision is intentional and prevents accidental deletions. Why is it scheduled? It's a safeguard in case your account was hacked and someone else tried to delete it. It's all about protecting you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.